Mamelodi Sundowns have significantly raised the valuation of Thembinkosi Lorch following his standout performances at the FIFA Club World Cup, with reports from abroad indicating the club is now demanding €1 million, approximately 20 million rand, for the in-form midfielder. Lorch, currently on loan at Moroccan giants Wydad Casablanca, has turned heads with his electrifying displays on the global stage, most notably against European powerhouses Manchester City and Juventus. The 31-year-old scored in the latter clash, earning widespread praise across the continent and reigniting interest in his services. According to Afrofoot, Sundowns initially agreed to a purchase clause worth €500,000, 10 million rand, as part of the January loan deal. However, insiders close to the negotiations claim that the Brazilians have now doubled that figure in light of Lorch's soaring stock. His loan spell is set to expire on 30th June, and any permanent transfer will now come at a premium. Since his move to Wydad, the former Orlando Pirates talisman has featured in 15 matches across all competitions, scoring 3 goals, including 2 in the Botola Pro and 1 on the global stage. His performances have not only impressed Wydad, but also attracted interest from clubs beyond African shores. However, the path to a permanent stay in Casablanca is far from straightforward. The original loan agreement reportedly did not include a formal option to buy clause, leaving Sundowns in full control of Lorch's future. That leverage has now been used to drive up the asking price, potentially complicating matters for Wydad amid a competitive and financially cautious transfer window. The 20 million rand price tag positions Lorch as one of South Africa's most valuable exports at present, and with the clock ticking toward the end of his loan, a crucial decision looms. Will Wydad meet Sundowns' demands? Will a European suitor swoop in? And could Lorch make a surprise return to Kruger? One thing is clear, Thembinkosi Lorch's name is back in the spotlight, and Sundowns intend to capitalize. On the other hand, Thembinkosi Lorch has been tipped to remain at Wydad AC. Former Bafana Bafana striker Katlego Mphela has told Thembinkosi Lorch not to consider to return to Premier Soccer League giants Mamelodi Sundowns. Mphela pointed out Lorch's performance and trust from Wydad's head coach as reasons that should convince the former Orlando Pirates forward to stay with the Moroccan outfit. Mphela told the Sowetan Live that coach Rolando Mokoena believed in him so much by bringing him to Sundowns, but it didn't work out and he went to Morocco. You can see that the boy is very talented. We saw this in the last 2 games at the Club World Cup. In the first match, he gave Manchester City problems, and in the second one, he also did well and even scored. Even the coach, Ame Benhachem, that came in now, you can see he believes in him alongside countryman Caesars Mailula. For him to be in a foreign country and do well, and do this well, it shows the character and the ability. I think the big thing has been the environment and lifestyle, and he is focused on that side. For me, if Wydad wants him to stay, he needs to stay there because I think the relationship between him and Sundowns has broken. If he comes back, I think it will be the same problems. Mphela also stated that it is time that Lorch is given a Bafana Bafana call-up because of his form and consistency. And that I think we all know he is a talented boy and he has been showing the ability he has. The problem, I think, may be that there was too much distraction in his personal life and other things. He deserves to be called up for Bafana Bafana because he has been in form for the whole season. He has been consistent. It is not only at the Club World Cup, because I've been following the news and he has been performing. The whole season has been winning Player of the Month awards at Wydad. Currently, his focus is on the remaining Club World Cup game against Al Ain on Thursday. Thereafter, it will be known whether Wydad will express interest in keeping the forward or he will return to Masandawana. Given how he has performed for the Moroccan giants, Zanzibar fans will follow keenly to see whether Hugo Bros will call him up for the 2026 World Cup qualifiers in September and October. Africa Cup of Nations finals, in which Bafana Bafana are participants, will then follow as they will be played in December 2025 and January 2026. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe for more sports news.